So some people might experience an error while installing the Windows 11 ISO file. So the problem might be actually your browser. So maybe the Google Chrome cookies or download issues. So in this video, I'll show you the simple fix by changing your browser and downloading the Windows 11 ISO file again the right way. So let's fix this issue first and get Windows 11 installed successfully. So maybe when you hit confirm, when you select Windows 11, hit confirm, you might get this error. So the easiest way you can do this, click close. So you can change your browser. So I'll change mine to Brave. So I'll open Brave and I'll type still Windows 11 ISO and press enter. From here, click download Windows 11. Scroll down. So download Windows 11 disk image. So select download. So we'll select Windows 11 and click confirm. From here, select the product language. So mine is English. So English, United States. Click confirm. So download Windows 11. So 64-bit download. Click the download button. Confirm the file name and click save. And wait for the ISO file to be downloaded. So that's how basically to download the Windows file when you get the ISO file error. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.